Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to use layout for Instagram stories and show you the details of the layout. So let's get started. First, log into your Instagram account. Then click on the profile icon on the bottom right. Then click on your profile icon at the top left. You will see that the camera option of your phone has been turned on. You can see an option called layout on the left here. Tap here. See, my layout option is turned on here. Now click on the layout icon below. There are many layout styles here. I am now showing you all one by one. Now I am choosing any one from here. See, I selected this layout. Now I will use this layout. Here are the options to take 3 pictures. I am taking the first picture. Then the second picture. Then the third picture. You can give any instructions through these layouts. Once the layout pictures are taken, you can use the above options. See the send to option for sharing below on the right. I can now share this picture in my story. So I'm clicking on the send to option. Now you can share the picture anywhere you want, such as in your story or with a friend. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.